I'm going to teach you how to make £100,000 on Amazon FBA with a formula that literally cannot fail. Yes, you heard me right. In my first year, I made over £100,000 selling on Amazon, and it wasn't luck. I'm an ex-electrical engineer and I treated it like a video game with a cheat code. Most beginners, they fail. They make the same simple mistakes, burn all their money and quit. But you're not going to do that. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact playbook and to dodge every single mistake. And I'm revealing the one secret tool that changed everything for me. We're not just making money, we're building a legit freedom machine. Section 1, the brutal truth. I'm going to be real with you. Almost everyone who tries Amazon FBA fails. They lose thousands of dollars in a few months. I'm talking burning through savings, getting destroyed by fees, and ending up with 1,000 useless plastic spatulas in their bedroom. It's insane. I was almost one of them. My first product was a complete disaster. A kitchen knife gadget. I thought it was genius. Nobody brought it. I lost thousands in a few months. It was horrible. But here's the twist. Amazon wasn't the problem was me. I was guessing, I was hoping, and I was playing the lottery. But then my engineer brain kicked in. I stopped guessing and started treating it like a math problem that I had to solve. And once I did that, the money printer turned on. It's literally just a system. Section 2, the 3 killers. These are the 3 mistakes that will absolutely kill your Amazon business. They look harmless, but they will destroy you. The first killer, picking a product you think is cool. You love dogs, so you sell dog bowls. Terrible idea. Nobody cares what you like. You're selling to millions of people on Amazon, not to yourself. Your passion for something doesn't mean it's going to make you money. It will make you broke. The second killer, ignoring real costs. This is where people get wiped out. They see a sell price, they see a cost, and they think they're making money. They completely forget about Amazon fees, shipping costs, advertising, customs, returns, and the list is endless. You could be selling thousands of products and actually losing money on every single order. It's crazy. The third killer, not checking if people are actually searching for your product. Amazon is a search engine. If nobody is typing in the words for your product, nobody will find it. It's like open the world's best burger joint in the middle of the desert. You will sell nothing. My profit margin is 32%. That means for every £1 Amazon sends me, 32 pence is pure profit in my bank account. The average seller, they make a tiny 12%. I'm not a genius. I just stopped guessing and started using a system. Section 3, engineer's formula. Okay, enough problems. Here is the exact formula. This is the cheat code to printing money on Amazon. Step 1, a market gap. Find the secret opportunity. We are not using our feelings, we are using data. I use a tool called Helium 10. It's a secret search engine for Amazon sellers. Here are the exact filters I use to find winning products. Price between $18 to $45. This is the sweet spot. Cheap enough for people to buy it without thinking, but expensive enough for you to make huge profits. Revenue over £9,000 per month. This proves people are actually buying it. I also put in 1,000 maximum competing listings. If there are over 50,000 people selling the same thing, you'll never be seen. Under 1,000, it's game on. These exact filters found me my first winner, a collapsible compost bin. It sounds boring, but it made me so much money. Step 2, cost stack, do the brutal math. Before you spend a single dollar, you do this. Landed cost, how much to buy it and ship it to Amazon. Amazon fee, FBA fee, plus referral fee. They charge you to sell and ship. These are huge. PPC estimate 8% of the selling price. You have to run ads, budget for it. Returns allowance, 3% of the selling price. People will return stuff, just plan for it. Add it all up. Now, if your projected profit margin is under 20%, you abandon the product immediately. Don't get attached. Love the profit, not the product. Step 3, keyword research. Go back to Helium 10 and run a Cerebro search. You need to see at least 7,000 people searching for your exact product phrases every single month. If it's less than that, it's a hobby and not a business. You need massive demand to make massive money. Step 4, now order 3 samples from different factories and then destroy them. Seriously, for my compost bin, I literally dropped a brick on it and filmed it. The one that survived, I chose that one. If your product can't survive a brick, it won't survive real customers. You'll just get bad reviews and lose money. Step 5, launch curve, the perfect launch. You have your product, now you have to launch it perfectly to trick the Amazon algorithm. Day 1 to 5, sell at least 25 units at 50% off via a rebate site. This burst of sales tells Amazon your product is a banger and slowly increase your price over the next few days once you start seeing results. Day 6 to 14, pick the strongest one based on quality, communication and price. Week 3, listing creation and optimization. Start building your product page on Amazon. Crucially, use Helium 10 scribbles to stuff your main keywords everywhere in the title, the bullet points, the backhand and the description. I literally mean everywhere. Week 4, shipping and launch prep. Place your first order of 150 to 300 units and ship them to Amazon FBA. Always make sure to ask your suppliers for any hidden costs such as import taxes or any other related costs in your specific countries. The second they arrive, launch your 30 to 50% off rebate giveaway and turn on your PPC campaigns. Scaling past 100k. Hitting 100,000 is cool, but that is just level 1. This is how you get to the boss level. One of the easiest ways to scale is to add variations. My collapsible compost bin now comes in 2 different colours and a larger 2.5 gallon size. Instant sales boost with almost no extra work. What would I do differently? I made some huge mistakes so you don't have to. First, I wasted £1,200 on graphic designer who knew nothing about Amazon. The pictures were pretty but didn't sell anything. Now I go on Fiverr and only hire designers who specialise in Amazon listing images. It saves me £900 and my sales exploded. Your images are also everything. Second, I waited too long to trademark my brand and it was a disaster. A hijacker started selling a cheap copy of the product on my listing. My sales died. For the 3 agonising weeks, it was a nightmare. The second the trademark was officially registered, Amazon banned them. File your trademark on day 1. It is not optional. Winning on Amazon or anything, it is all about your mindset. You have to treat it like you're debugging code or trying to beat a video game. Every failure is just data. It's a chance to learn and get better. When my compost bin launched, it sold a measly 3 units on day 1. I was freaking out, but then I looked at my listing in Helium 10 and realised my main keyword was buried at the bottom. At 2 AM in the morning, I rewrote the whole thing and put that keyword right in the title and the first bullet point. The next day, I sold 28 units. Same product, same price, just a better optimization. Test everything, change everything, iterate constantly. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be willing to change things until you win. Amazon FBA isn't a lottery ticket. It is a cheat code that when you follow it gives you predictable results. Find a gap in the market, do the math, find a quality product, launch it like a pro and optimize it until you're printing money. I went from a boring engineering job to this. If I can do it, you can do it too. Follow the formula and I will see you in the next video. Remember, measure twice, launch once.